It's Tyler, and I'm out and about St. Petersburg. Today we're at Wheaton Island Preserves to check out Sweetwater Kayaks. That's right, Sweetwater Kayaks. We're gonna go kayaking, so you know what I say. Let's go on in and take a gander. The really fun part about kayaking is going in all the nature trails and seeing, as you see, there's like a bird there. All the great, interesting little birds and bugs and spiders and snakes and all the great things like that you see here. And as you can see, you can actually see the bottom of the water. So one of the great things here is Papa's Bayou. As you can see, you can drive your kayak right up to the sandbar, which usually happens midday, right in the middle of the bay. It is one reason why I love kayaking.
Check out the award-winning cuisine only at the Rosemary, 411 North Orange Avenue, Sarasota.
Okay, welcome to Googe Island. Don't ask me. They call it Googe, so I guess there's something real googey over here. Googe Island on the kayak. Wow, what an awesome experience in the mangrove trails. I would totally recommend this as a weekend must-do. It's something everybody can do. It's so easy. I mean, I was like, there's no way I'm going to do it. But when I stuck the paddle in the water, I said, well, I guess I can. I always thought this was some kind of balancing act, and it really isn't. You simply just get in and go. And you're at your own pace, no motor or anything like that. And I would definitely recommend this as a for sure weekend trip. All right, what an incredible experience. Sweetwater Kayaks right here in St. Pete. I highly recommend it. That's gonna bring this segment to a close. We'll see you again when we're out and about St. Pete.
Out and About, sponsored by these fine sponsors. This has been an Out and About media production. Now come and go, out and about St. Petersburg.